Namaskar, I am Tejaswini Patwardhan, starting with a series on Indian writers in English. And I begin with my favorite writer, Arun Kolhatkar, and his collection of poetry, Jezuri. Jezuri was published in 1976. It won Commonwealth Writers Award in 1977. Now, Kolhatkar's magic is in using everyday commonplace experiences to talk about something far more complex. Take, for instance, the poem I would present, The Bus. It's a journey, a common journey of a man to Jezuri. Now, imagine sitting in a bus all the way to Jezuri. Is probably raining outside. Bus is covered with tarpaulin. Inside the bus is pitch dark. You encounter people who are strangers to you, uh, smells you're alien to. Their motive of visiting Jesuri might be very different from yours, probably far more spiritual and religious than you. An old person sitting right in front of you, you are a little wary about striking a conversation with him. There's a deep divide of age, class, and caste that separates both of you. Presenting The Bus by Arun Kolhatkar. The Bus. The tarpaulin flaps are buttoned down on the windows of state transport bus all the way up to Jesuri. A cold wind keeps whipping and slapping a corner of tarpaulin at your elbow. You look down to the roaring road. You search for signs of daybreak in what little light spills out of the bus. Your own divided face in the pair of glasses on the old man's nose is all the countryside you get. Repeating again. Your own divided face in the pair of glasses on an old man's nose is all the countryside you get. Your mind is already prejudiced, right? The way you would probably encounter an old man, a poor villager, would be very different. भैया थोड़ा distance ही ठीक है. You seem to move continually forward towards a destination just beyond the caste mark, beyond his eyebrows. You seem to move continually forward towards the destination just beyond the caste mark, beyond his eyebrows. You stop there. ये पता नहीं कौन है. Outside, the sun has risen quietly. It aims through the eyelet in the tarpaulin and shoots at the old man's glasses. A sort of sunbeam comes to rest gently against the driver's white temple. The bus seems to change direction. At the end of bumpy ride with your own face on either side when you get off the bus. You don't step inside the old man's head. That's The Bus for you by Arun Kolhatkar.